Now let us discuss about mod. In lower classes, you have learned about mod. I will give you one example. You see, here you are given some observations 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 3, 0, 3. What is mod here? You know how to find mod. Mod is the most repeating observation, or the most occurring observation is known as mod. So here, which is the most occurring observation? You see, 3 is occurring 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we say that 3 is the mod of the given frequencies. Now, if you are given a group data, how can you find the mod? In that case, you can find the mod using the formula L plus F1 minus F0 all divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us take one example to understand what are the terms involved in the formula to find mod. Now you are given the class interval and frequencies. Class interval is given as here. Frequencies are also given. We have to find the mod. First of all, you have to find out what is the model class. You see, which is the maximum frequency given here? The maximum frequency is 15. Now, the corresponding class interval is known as model class. So here the model class is 30 to 40. I think you understood how to find the model class. Look for the maximum frequency given. The maximum frequency is 15. So the corresponding class interval will be the model class. So here the model class is 30 to 40. Now let us see what is L. L stands for the lower limit of model class. So the model class is 30 to 40. So lower limit of model class is 30. So L is 30 here. Now let us see what is F0. F0 means the frequency preceding to the model class. You see, what is the model class? 30 to 40. So what is the frequency preceding to the model class? That is 5. So 5 is called F0. Now let us see what is F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is F1. Now what is F2? F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So here 6 is F2. I think it is clear to you what is F0, F1, F2. You see, if you get the model class, just write first what is F0, F1, F2 in the order. 0, 1, 2. Okay, F0, F1, F2 in the order. Now you got what is F0, F1, F2. Now let us find out what is H. H is the height of the class interval. You see, what is the height of the class interval here? The class interval is 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, etc. So the height of the class interval is 10. So H is equal to 10. Now you understood all the terms involved in the formula to find mod. You know what is L, you know what is F0, F1, F2, H. Just substitute properly in the equation, then you will be getting the value of mod as 35.26. So it is very easy to calculate mod. First of all, you have to find out what is model class. Then you find what is lower limit of model class. Then find F0, F1, F2. Usually students make mistake while they assign the values F0, F1, F2. That's why I told you, you should give the values in the order 0, 1, 2. F0, F1, F2. F1 for the model class. F0 for the preceding class. F2 for the succeeding model class. F2 for the frequency succeeding the model class. Now when you assign the values properly, you can find the mod.